Does ProstanPlus work? My complete and honest review. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a very special video for you who are looking for information about ProstanPlus. Is this product really good? Let's find out together. So, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to not miss any updates. Presentation of ProstanPlus. First, let's get to know a little more about ProstanPlus. It is a natural supplement developed to help with prostate health. But what exactly does it promise? Let's take a look at the main benefits. Benefits of ProstanPlus. ProstanPlus promises to improve prostate health, reduce nighttime urinary frequency, relieve the feeling of a full bladder, and improve quality of life. Sounds great, doesn't it? But does it really deliver on its promises? Ingredients of ProstanPlus. Let's take a look at the ingredients. ProstanPlus is composed of a combination of natural extracts, such as saw palmetto, pygeum, nettle, and zinc. Each of these ingredients has properties known to help with prostate health. But how do they work together? How the ingredients work. These ingredients work in synergy to reduce inflammation, improve urinary flow, and support overall prostate health. But let's not just take the manufacturer's word for it. Let's see what users have to say. User testimonials. I was having a lot of trouble sleeping because of frequent trips to the bathroom. After starting to use ProstanPlus, I noticed a big difference. Now, I sleep through the night. My quality of life has improved a lot. I feel more comfortable and less worried about my health. Science behind ProstanPlus. These testimonials are really encouraging. But what about the science behind ProstanPlus? Studies show that the ingredients in ProstanPlus have positive effects on prostate health. For example, saw palmetto is widely used to treat symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia. Pygeum has anti-inflammatory properties, and nettle helps reduce urinary symptoms. How to use ProstanPlus. Now, let's talk about how to use ProstanPlus. The recommendation is to take 2 capsules a day, preferably with a meal. It's important to follow the instructions to get the best results. Recommendations. So, is ProstanPlus worth it? If you are looking for a natural supplement to help with prostate health, it can be a great option. With natural ingredients and many positive testimonials, it seems to be a promising product. But remember, it's always good to consult a doctor before starting any supplement. Did you like the video? Leave your comment below telling us what you think about ProstanPlus. And if you have already used it, share your experience with us. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to not miss any updates. See you next time. How to buy ProstanPlus. To buy ProstanPlus, you can follow these steps. The safest way to buy ProstanPlus is through the product's official website. This ensures that you are purchasing an authentic and quality product. Fill in your details. Enter your personal and payment information. Make sure all data is correct to avoid delivery issues. Confirm the purchase. Review all details and confirm the purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with the order details. Wait for delivery. ProstanPlus will be sent to the address you provided. Delivery time may vary depending on your location. 1. Does ProstanPlus work? My complete and honest review. 2. ProstanPlus review. Is it worth it? Find out here. 3. ProstanPlus. My experience and results. 4. Is ProstanPlus good? See my honest opinion. 5. All about ProstanPlus. Review and benefits.